So welcome to the channel, and you're here because you either own a Crown Victoria Police Interceptor or you're just into installing the Alpine and with Rockford Fosgates using the installation kit from Crutchfield, and you're just looking to see if that is the right combination, how it sounds. So I'll do a quick demonstration of the audio inside the car while I'm driving around at the end of the video, but I will make a separate video of just the experience of driving around playing the radio with the speakers through a range of music that's copyright free. This way I can monetize the video, and it goes from hard rock to nice dance solid beats to a little country, a little banjo music, and give you a wide range of that. So let's get started with this video showing you what I got in the box. Now, in the box should be the head unit, which I went for a single DIN radio instead of the double because ease of installation, no modifications. The kit that comes with it is plug and play, and cost, and I don't need all those accessories in this car. So I chose the Alpine UTE-73BT. Now, what I was looking for is something that plays off a USB drive, that streams, and gives me hands-free calling capability, because the AM/FM radio from the stock Crown Vic Police Interceptor just wasn't cutting it. Now, the door speakers, I just did the front door speakers, and I chose the Rockford Fosgate R1525X2. Now, those speakers I bought under the dent and scratch version, meaning that they were returned, they were checked out by Crutchfield, and they may have a small dent or small scratch, and they sell them at a cheaper price. So it fit my budget, and I gave it a shot, and it worked out. And then I got the plastic dash kit. It's the American International FMK 550 dash kit that fits my particular car, a 2011 Crown Victoria. And I got the wiring harness. It's the Metra 70-1771 receiver wiring harness. The dash kit, the wiring harness, the Metra 865618 removal tool, which is those two little U-shaped tools. Seems simple enough, but having them made life easier. And I also got the Metra 725601 speaker wiring harness, which goes right into my speaker clip of the stock Crown Victoria, and it gives me the small and the wide positive and negative connectors to connect to the new speakers, which takes the confusion out of which one's positive and which one's negative. So nice and secure, easy, secure. And then I also got the Soshi SA68 speaker mounting brackets. Now, when you pull out the stock speakers, your new speaker is not going to line up with the holes in the door. So this kit comes, it lines up with the holes. You use the same screws you removed the speakers with, and then you use the screws provided with the speaker to mount the speaker to this adapter, which will fit. Don't forget the little C-clips, metal mounting clips, so that the screw goes into it. Don't forget to install those. And that's what's in the box. So everything came in one package from Crutchfield, and I tell you, let's go over the prices. I thought it was a great deal. So I got the head unit Alpine UTE for $119.95. The scratch and dent box for the Rockford Fosgate R1525, 2 speakers, came in at $34.99. And the installation kit, free wiring harness, free speaker wiring harness, mounting bracket for the speakers, free. Also, they email you a couple of PDFs giving you step instructions with pictures of how to remove the radio, how to kind of wire what tools you need to install the radio, and removal of the door panels, which really helped. So I removed the first door panel, and it took me a while because I was being careful. And this had a couple of extra self-tapping screws because some stuff were loose, and I guess the police department just bush rigs repairs. That was pretty good. Finding the T30 Torx bolt took me the longest time putting the tools together. Once I installed the speaker, pretty easy, self-explanatory. I finished the door, went to the passenger door, and it went super fast because it's just mirroring the installation process, doing it twice. So by the time I got to the passenger door, I was an expert. And I test everything before I cinched it down and put back the door panels, and everything worked fine. The radio, again, I took my time. I didn't solder. I just twisted the wires like if I was going to solder, and I black taped them, the door speakers, and I used crimp connectors for the power and the ground and the other main wires. Kit, wiring harness, super simple, clicks right in. It's a breeze. I went slow because I hadn't done this in 20-30 years. So that went good. I paired up my phone easily with this radio. And what else did I need to do? I set the clock. It's the functions. I could see myself getting used to it quickly, and it made sense. The layout, it's got good adjustments all around. Alpine unit. It's my first Alpine. I always respected their brand. Could never afford them. Never wanted to pay that much. But this was a reasonable deal with an awesome radio. And the sound quality, it's got a little punch for the size of these speakers. I was a little concerned when I pulled them out the box. I imagined them bigger. And I was like, yeah, boy, did I make a mistake here? But all concerns were left by the wayside as soon as I heard the radio. Nice clear tone, got a little punch. It's just what I was looking for. It's not going to blast the neighborhood. It's not going to shake the screws loose in your car. And it's definitely not the feel of bigger, stronger speakers that may fit, or you have to make modifications to the door. It's not a subwoofer in the trunk. You're not going to feel that thump. But it does shake, as you can see in the camera while I'm driving. It does shake. It gives you, or at least me, enough thump to feel the music, enjoy the music, but yet it's clear, crisp, and I could enjoy everything from classical, country, hard rock, and hard-hitting, old-school rap music. So this is a great deal. Crutchfield came through, made everything simple. The site is simple to navigate. And if you just want to buy the separate components and you know what you're doing, give a look to my Amazon store down below. Hit those links, and I make a small commission as an Amazon influencer. But if you're not buying it from me and you're going through Crutchfield, I make no money from them, but I do recommend going through them. I went through them, and it was because I want to make sure I was set to go, and they set me up not to fail. So that was a big plus going with them. If you can't support me that way, hit my links. Go shopping when you go shop on Amazon. I'll make a commission somewhere. So thanks for the support. And remember, I have a separate video going just for the ride, enjoying the sounds. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Later.